What do you want to be when you grow up?
Obor-obor ikan lele. Hari ini kita wisuda le.
Sunday mornings were your favorite. I used to meet you down on Woods Creek Road. You did your hair up like you were famous, even though it's only church where we were going. Now, Sunday mornings I just sleep in. It's like I buried my faith with you. I'm screaming at the God I don't know if I believe in, 'cause I don't know what else I can do. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart and left the rest in pieces.
Siapkah anak-anakku untuk membela nama baik dan membela alma mater pesantren modern Al-Manar?
Siap.
Berjanjilah dengan sepenuh hati.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kami siap dan sanggup menjaga nama baik alma mater kami, pesantren modern Al-Manar.
Coba perkenalkan diri lu. Coba nge-vlog kita. Coba bilang nama saya siapa?
Nama saya
Asal dari mana?
asal dari Banda Aceh.
Di mananya Banda Aceh?
Di sini.
Di sini. Oh iya, mantap. Nih, what is your name? Gimana Insun? Gimana perasaan di sini sekarang? Apanya enak? Hah? Bisa gimana? Gimana perasaannya masuk pesantren? Bisa aja.
Digging through your old birthday letters, a crumpled 20 still in the
bow and the string should work together. Itulah si bow, egoisnya kita dan egoisnya anak-anak harus disatukan sehingga anak-anak ada full back and ada tarik menarik. Tempat di mana tumbuh itu terasa sangat berat
dan kebanggaan sebagai orang tua.
Tarjun najata walam tasluk masalikaha wa inna safinata la tajri ala
Wakaf Alumni tahun 2025 Expedient dan Zennadia Generation berupa 1 unit mobil Hilux tahun 2010 dengan nominal 70 juta.
Left the rest in pieces. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on. Still holding on. I'm still holding on.
Assalamualaikum jami'an.
goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a billion different reasons, you took the best of my heart. Love to rest in peace.